January feels like a pause. The soil is cold. The trees are bare, and most people assume gardening hasn't begun yet. But gardeners know a secret. January isn't empty. It's preparatory. Today on Natural Earth Living, we're talking about what you can plant in January to get your garden started early. Whether you're growing indoors, using cold methods, or planning ahead for spring. This video is for educational purposes only. Always research plant needs for your specific climate and growing zone. Seeds you can start indoors in January. January is perfect for slow starters, the plants that like a head start. Great indoor seed starts include onions, leeks, celery, parsley, thyme, rosemary. These plants take their time. Starting now means strong transplants when spring arrives. Use grow lights or a sunny window. Keep soil lightly moist, and don't rush them. January seedlings grow quietly but steadily. Cold hardy crops for winter sowing. Some seeds need cold to wake up. Winter sowing mimics nature. Seeds experience chill, then sprout when conditions are right. Good January winter sowing candidates: kale, spinach, lettuce, arugula, peas. These can be planted in milk jugs, cold frames, or protected outdoor containers. When spring comes, they're already ahead. Herbs that love an early start. Herbs are patient teachers. Many perennial and slow-growing herbs benefit from January planting. Sage, lavender, oregano, lemon balm. These herbs build roots before leaves. Starting now helps them establish deeply instead of struggling later. Planning the root garden. January is also for root crops planning. While you may not plant them yet, now is the time to prepare. Carrots, beets, parsnips, radishes. Order seeds early, plan bed spacing, and improve soil indoors with compost prep or amendments. A good root harvest begins with winter intention. The January gardening mindset. January gardening isn't about abundance yet. It's about patience, preparation, trust. Every seed planted now is a promise to the future. Nature doesn't rush, and neither should we. If you've been itching to garden but thought it was too early, January says otherwise. Start small. Start slow. Start warm. If this video helped you, tap like, subscribe to Natural Earth Living, and tell me in the comments, what are you planting first this year?